Case name Babu Rao, age is 23 years and today date is 19th of November 2025 and complain of childish voice even after puberty. तो मुझे वॉइस थेरेपी स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई वांट स्पीच सैम्पल व्हाई यू केम हियर.
Yeah, so my name is Babu Rao. I'm from Bangalore. So I have this issue of high pitch voice.
What is the challenge in communication because of this voice problem?
Sometimes they think it's a female voice.
Post therapy video of Babu Rao and today date is 26th of November 2025. So Babu Rao, tell about yourself, why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Babu Rao. I'm from Bangalore. So I had a issue of high pitch voice or childish voice, and it's been 8 days here. So I got some a good bass in my voice, and I feel much more confident now.
Okay, what comments you are getting from your friends and relatives when you are calling on the phone?
They are asking me like, have you caught any cold? Like your voice increased, like.
Okay, have you compared your voice first day and today's? What change you observe in your mobile recording?
Yeah, I compared my voice. So I found that I can increase. I can see a increase in my bass, like the tone. Yeah.
Okay, so you are telling your voice has become more childish to more masculine.
Right.
Once you compare in your mobile. Okay.
Right.
So those who are watching this video, you can also compare and pre and post video and write in the comment box what changes you are observing. If you are feeling any positive change, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And one more question, can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes.
Thanks for the permission. Thank you. Thanks for watching.